Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by importing the image and choosing a tight subject selection. Do this now, not later. Use RAW or hike for maximum latitude and create a virtual copy named clearly so you can iterate. Once done, zoom to 1 and mark the focal eye or face. That drives sharpening and noise control. Make sure to enable a 16:9 or grid overlay to lock your intended composition, adjusting exposure by about +0. 5 stops reveals highlight behavior. Next, you balance tone and color to shape Radha's look. Start with exposure, highlights, and shadows using small 0. 25 stop changes so you retain texture. Then add local masks for face, hair, and background. Feather masks 30 to 60 pixels for seamless blends. Once those are in place, tweak HSL to boost reds and oranges for skin warmth, while subtly desaturating background greens and blues by 10 to 20%. This separates subject from environment and directs it. Finally, you refine details and prepare files for delivery. Start with targeted sharpening, moderate radius, and mask to avoid halos. Then apply luminance noise reduction at 10 to 25 only where grain is visible. Dodge and burn with low flow, 3 to 10%, building gradual contrast on cheeks and clothing to sculpt features. Once finished, export an 80% JPEG in sRGB at 2048px for web and save a PSD or TIFF for archive. If colors shift, check profile mismatch and re-export.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.